Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 1 of Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay, then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 1 ML2 Sales. We just increase its size, change its color. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? In today assignment, we have 8, 9, then 13, 14, 18, 19. Okay, we have 22 questions in today graded part. Last one is a non-graded one. We mean that we have to save, close, and submit the file. So that is a not graded one. So we have 21 questions in today assignments. So let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. Here is project description. Change its color. Okay. So you own a small real estate company in Indianapolis. You track real estate properties you list for clients. You want to analyze sales for selected properties. Yesterday, you prepared a workbook with a worksheet for recent sales data and another worksheet listing several properties you listed. You want to calculate the number of days that the houses were on market and their sales percentage of list price. In one situation, the house was involved in bidding war between two families that really wanted the house. Therefore, the sales price exceeds the list price. Okay, so that was simply project description that we have to read and get idea that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so now we are moving toward graded part. In graded part, as we earlier discussed, that we have 22 questions. Okay, so steps to perform, instructions, start Excel, then download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader has automatically added our name, last name in the beginning of the file. So first we have to open that file that we called solution file. Okay, so question number 1 is done. In question number 1, we just simply open Excel file. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 2. The owners of house on 640 North Oak Drive took their house off the market. You want to delete that row since it did not sell. Sorry. That was simply instruction about question number 2. Our main part of question number 2 is start from here. In the April worksheet, delete row 10 which has incomplete sale data. So we have to delete in April worksheet. Okay, there we have to delete a row 10. Yeah, that is incomplete. That have incomplete data. Select this row or right click and then delete. Okay. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 5 marks from this question. In this question, we just move toward April worksheet. Then we select row 10, then delete that row because that row is incomplete. Now we are moving toward Question number 3. The listings are organized by date listed. The 973 East Melbourne Lane listing need to be moved up in the list. Okay, so now that was just simply instruction about question number 3. Our main part of question number 3 start from here. Cut the row 13, then containing 973 East Melbourne Lane. First we have to move towards cell 13, yeah, this one, or right click and cut that one. Yes, okay. Then insert cut cell on a row 10. Where is row 10? Here is row 10. We have to insert cut cell. Yes. Existing cell should move down. Yeah, that moved down already. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. You want to assign a property ID to each listing. The code will have year 2024 with sequential number. Okay, so type 2024-001 in A5. In A5 we have to write 2024-001. Okay, then use autofill to complete the series assign property ID to fill each property in the range A6 to A13. So now we have to simply double click on there so that range will be automatically filled. Okay, so question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we have to type 2024-001 in cell E5, then use autofill to complete the series to assign a property ID to each property in the range A6 to A13. So question number 4 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 5. Real estate agents study the number of days house are on market. In some cases, the longer house is on market, it might indicate asking price is too high. Okay, that was simply instruction about question number 5. Our main part of question number 5 is start from here. Enter formula in cell C5. Here we have to enter formula. What type of formula we have to enter? That calculate number of days the first house was on market by subtracting date listed from date sold. Date listed from date sold. Okay, simply click in. Then copy the formula in the range C6 to C13. Double click so that will be automatically filled. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5 we have earned 10 marks. Okay, in question number 5 we just simply enter formula in cell C5 that calculates the number of days the first house was on the market by subtracting the day listed from date sold. Then copy formula to the range C6 to C13. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Monetary values look better when they are formulated to display the dollar sign. Because all monetary values are whole number, you will decrease the decimal points to avoid columns where all data ends in 0.00. Okay, that was simply instruction about question number 6. Our main part of question number 6 start from here. Format the list price and sold price in the range F5 to G13. So first we have to select F5 to G13. Here is F5 to G13. Then now we have to first we have to select the range, then we have to apply accounting number format with a zero decimal place. Okay, now we have to apply accounting number format, a zero decimal place. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 6, we have to format the list price and sold price that are in the range F5 to G13. So first we have to select both ranges F5 to G13. Then after selecting the ranges, then we have to apply the accounting number format with zero decimal place. So after solving question number 6, we get this answer. Okay. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. To analyze the real estate market, it is helpful to calculate the selling price as a percentage of list price. For example, the first house was listed for $350,000, but it is sold for only $335,000. Therefore, the sale percentage of list price is 95.71%. So question number 7, that was simply instruction about question number 7. Our main part of question number 7 is start from here. Enter formula in cell H5 that calculate the sale price percentage. So first we have to move toward H5 and there we have to enter formula that calculate sale price percentage of list price for first house by dividing sold price by list price. Sold price by list price. Then press enter. Okay. Then copy formula in the range H6 to H13. Now we have to copy that formula to there. So question number 7 is done and we have earned 10 marks from there. In question number 7, we just move toward H5 and there we have to enter formula. So that's why we just use equal sign. And then what we have to do there, in there we have to divide sold price by list price. After getting the result, then we have to copy formula to the range H6 to H13. After solving part 7, we get this result and we earn 10 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 8. The calculated percentage need to be formulated with percent sample rather than displaying the values as raw numbers. So format the values in the range H5 to H13 with percent style with two decimal places. So first we have to select the range H5 to H13 that is already selected. Now we have to apply their percent style. So there is percent style. Then how many decimal places? We have to use two decimal places. Okay. So increase decimal place to two decimal place. So question number 8 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. In question number 9, what we have to do? We have to currently the labels on row 4 are hard to read. So you will wrap the headings within each cell to improve readability. That was simply instruction about question number 9. The main part of question 9 is start from here. Center horizontally, then wrap the headings in the range A4 to H4. After solving part 9, we will earn 5 marks. Okay. Then in question number 10, what we have to do? For a better sequence of columns, you want to display the days on market columns after two columns containing the dates. So inserting a new columns between the date sold and list price columns. Okay. So move the days on market, then data to new blank, column F, by moving the range C4 to C13 to F4 to F13, then delete column C. So in this way we will solve part 10 and we will earn 10 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts step by step. Okay, we have just 21 question in today assignment. Out of 21 we have solved first 10 part, mean half of assignment is done from our side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may easily contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. And your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook, project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. So in today video we have discussed almost half of assignment. The name of today assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 1 ML2 Sales. In start we discuss project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, then question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have done first 10 questions, mean half of assignment is done from my side. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.